Monday, July 21st. Straight into business. Hit a little quick W today, going straight into market open. This trade was before market open, and very interesting. So I will kind of, it's so bread and butter that um, it's almost kind of scary for me to, think about. Anyways, let me get straight into it. So I'm looking on the 15 minute on NASDAQ and ES, and I'm like, damn. All right, so what do we got going on here? Our daily fair value gap that's below. No. Sorry. I'm starting off on a wrong note. We come into the week. We just put in. Recently we just tapped in that weekly fair value gap. Nas didn't tap it. Tell me we're bullish as fuck. So what do I want to see? Expansion after some sell side take in the New York session. What do we do here? We come up, we consolidate, we get that sweep, we get an SMT. So immediately, I'm looking at to take trades on ES to the highs. And I'm watching this SMT up here, but we have relative equal highs, and we have relative equal highs. So I think this will be ran. This was an SMT that happened Friday. Boom, that took us lower. Regardless, market was saving that high for this rally this morning. We come down, we instantly throwing an SMT. So I'm zooming down immediately on that 1 minute time frame. I'm like, all right, what kind of 1 minute shit can I be here? And keep in mind, the reason I didn't take this one on that is, well, okay, if you look, sweep, change in state, two fair value gaps, gone. I took a late entry because I just sat down at the charts. I was like, bro, this is my bottle. We're going to the highs after SMT. Change in state, all that shit, we're going straight to the highs. So I just entered, put my stop loss below there on ES. Don't even look at this. So then I was like, all right, let me take the bullish of the pair because we're gonna have basically, we want to take the stronger asset. So then I looked at ES, we have the same thing. So I just buy below the low. We just erect to the high, went break even at that buy side, entered another contract around this propulsion block, right here. Entered on the propulsion block another contract once we closed out of it and back in it. And then I targeted this buy side. I should have targeted major buy side, but all I needed was this $200 $200 day. So going into the week, very very strong. We started off the week great. Started straight off with it, no games. Identified what we needed to identify: the SMT, two for value gap. Bullish as fuck to the highs because we're pushing all time. Crypto pushing all time. Everything's pushing all time highs, baby. So we finna keep on pushing that all time high. We ain't gonna play games. Maybe the only thing is weird was that I had an entry before market open, but I figured that market open would just push us higher. We wouldn't have an entry off anything else going into market open right after that to the highs because we are so bullish. We had the setup before. So yeah, that was such a good day. Not ES. Nasdaq took my buy side faster than ES did, so I was like a little nervous. But then I realized, let me just be patient, bro. It's like 9:30, 9:45. Like we're good to go, bro. There's nothing to worry about. Nasdaq would have been a nicer one to trade. We're bullish as fuck, but ES did have that stronger asset idea, so I just kept on, reinforcing that. So it is 9:50, and we are done for the day already. About to go do some that trading is supposed to like to do. Make you go out, do something, take the dog for a walk, hit the gym early, go just relax and live your life. Because that's what trading should give you, not being on the charts all damn day, stressing out about it. But I love how I just went straight into market open today. No games, no FOMO, no weird shit after the week starts. No scared to place trades. I place a trade before market open. I rarely do that, but when I see that it's right, it's gonna be right, and I'm gonna execute on my edge like that, and that's what's gonna lead me to digging out of this drawdown. I'm hoping this week we'll dig out of this drawdown, and then we'll figure out where we're going. But yeah, no, starting off the week, a little up 0.5%. So we're doing good, and I'm just gonna lock out immediately. And yeah, that's all. So I will see you guys in the PM. I'll probably do a back test in the PM because I want to see how maybe how the how I can enter before market open or some stuff like that, etc. We will see though. Such a clean trade today. Such a clean trade. There was nothing better I could have done. I'm excited to see what market wants to do for the rest. I won't be surprised if we come up again and then start consolidating. Just because we took out a lot of sell side and buy side. But yeah, no, off for the day, very clean day. Took took ES at all time highs. Would have been NAS, but you know it was the stronger of the asset, which was ES. So y'all stay safe. Good trading today, my boy, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.